Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so asembi abeto yenimo a was miyi ede emamo mo amunim se yeni eda from security issue bia ekoso ewo Ghana no channel we ena ede ebremo. Sorry for that. Answer you better as subscribe and click the notification bell no eno ena da screen so sisia we yen sa latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka na chese yenimo ana ye kono Mr. yen sa pepe man we are like na share and I'm more fair number so ebisa for clarification on things no so no mo free am go to me afre mo be say mo ni entwetwe komo on any other issue no so mo go to me afre but mo free na chese mo nsa ankan ya yesre ye ba ye be free back o free back na nsa ankan ya yesre ye ba ye be free back and yes o be free san ye be free back. Anyway, let's go straight into this. A year notorious armed robber be police for Abonetio Ekuno ewo Eastern region. Na say baby adie we esi ye no ye frɛ ho nyame betre na nyame betre eye community near Koforidua ewo Eastern region, the regional capital no inti no armed robber we ni din de yentumi enfentuja but we notorious armed robber we can't notorious address e we obi asebe e would disem e woni trim na yenyanti ye se ye boni tio ekunu no ne yere nso etuo ni bi eka no ema ni pra in the process and many workers say ne yere receive treatment na baby a we receive treatment no hospital no me de din ebebro but ensem no the ayeti and say am robber no we obi a we ex convict she say we di bone pen ema ya che no e de na ko prison na eno ebe raise different question at the end but they no so be later we di bone pen ema ya che no e de no akọ prison na ye de no ekọ prison no or serve ne time ne sentence ni ano was everywhere na was everywhere no and our babontin na still or sambe dane notorious afi de our babontin no obedane am robber che say enye easy just say enka ne ye chi ne kotu mu kan de na wo ye no na afi de no aye west. Now this is and America said there's a particular trend on that particular thing so ewo Ghana womo ami nim say ye chi omudi boni a ye chi omo ekotu prison bia no womo ba na akoye se bone no dodo na yes me nka so bomu na dodo na akoye se bone no afiansa edidi wo mumu afiansa wo mudi bone ne mo inti it begs the question say yes prison services wana prison ho ye de omo kwa reform schedule ben ene ye de omo go through reform programs ben ye de omo etoso if me believe say if ye de omo to reform program bi so ye tro omo ejuma insane ejuma ne nyama na wo mu pia they will have something to be doing because you say ex convicts there once wako prison about there Ghana has a anawiase afaneni na employment in especially the government sector is very very difficult. So ya de wako prison near the eba bioma na ejuma pe ayedin into reform programs ben any ade omukom say ye betro mo nsa no juma nto mo ba bonte na chese ejuma ayedin they will not go back to the crime they've been committing because me who say enu hunti because oba abonti an ejuma bi ani ho ono so yeso didi into be say still ne old friends no ebe introducing it to the crime na afei wa be dimutintiman because wa ko prison na woni nkofo asebe wo mu di crimes and wo mu di boni a esen wo no ne de na akotwetwe nkomo amasisi a wanya more ideas into no yes but that's just by the way yanko ensem no so abrantie we the two year police for Ebonetio Ekunu and say police for yes any police for from a national police headquarters not just a police headquarters and Kasa because operation we na a very big operation na ye hu abranten location and yes any police for call and police for no call na abranten hu police for na one abranten what train say the cutlass be mbeka na cliente what train cutlass no send na what this speed echo police for no so no etie for na kan tie asem de na nka bo bedwidwa police for no ma enye easy. Into police for no they are alive and they feel they actually felt threatened. Sorry. Into na senya na AC no mu say that be branch and senya wodi eni breso e de sekan na eba no. Obetumi kum police ni bi. Into hona police for no e shot say wo mo fire a wo mo shoot na wo mo kun no sebe etu no ebi e kan na yere a ende me ne wo ka say na yere eda hospital will receive treatment. Police hospital ho ene de na yere no ekoe na abrantie we senior medin kan senior police for identify enemy why ex convict na wo pie ye no ye say why a lot of robbery just say wo pie you know robbery cases be brave na robbery cases in ya wo hwa senior victims no describe no police only who said that be a branch we ya na just say ni tiri anye ye woko robbery efie bi na woko robbery efie ni nim say no nim say CCTV camera e wo fie ho dia nti woko robbery efie no e na CCTV camera no e capture the nim na wono so wo ye robbery a won hye mask odi ne nim sa ekọ nti CCTV camera no e capture ne nim no e na just say police only who say abranti a robbery koso ye suspect say yo no e yo no a inti police wo hia ase wo mu trailing no e na ye da nyankopon ase say police for no this time they trailed him very very well wo mo ekoche no e wo eye kofo edua nyame betre na eto de bia ensem bi base ya. I also want us to look at the lighter side. Now the lighter side na say share edina ana krona papa yi wakotena so no wodi boni ni wie hwe krona wakotena so wone ne yere etena ho no kroni de ya nyame betre mostly wo mo ti inkura wo hwe ye de nyame din e na ato so no mo no mo ta di boni pan e wo Ghana ase e kroni din e ya nyame betre ne krenso nyame atre no ama police for abechi no na it begs the question in some be say na ya na in some be sa bebre e koso ewo mitrim intina na yere ni nim say wo ye arm robber na that's the question I'm asking no say na yere ni nim say wo ye arm robber and na yere no ne ho to na ye betumi de na court for aiding and abetting because you see this man has been on the police wanted list for a very long time just say ye ka akonfu ekuku dam ewo Ghana ha say okwa man bia wo mo wo nkrofo wo mo hwehwom like wanted notorious people on the wanted list. Okay, wanted list Ghana ha say a branch we yese na waka ho bi. Inti me yere no won to me nka se na wo nim se ejuma we na mekunu wo ye. Inti eno no me yere no wo mo bechi na aka ho ana I guess say wo mo de be court na wo mo de court and I mean him say I don't even know say police for no because they are tight-lipped on this issue. I don't even know say police for no. They have Yabeka said they have motive of ne no say you didn't be caucus na yachinatum. I don't even know of anything of that sort. But one him said the latest on that no mete ebebremo. Now speaking on a similar matter and speaking about wanted list and all no. Amama kai atai na say yami hu pictures of Atai as is here say wabeda ne pastor e wo prison Atai yo bia no so na Ghana ha say the most wanted but Atai ye chi no ye de na kotum for I think over 100 years as is here no wada ne pastor ya say wada ne pastor e wo prison or lately I think just Endra said them who pictures bia he was looking very very fine but and also no you can't risk it e bia na nipa ko no wo pese wo pienti na wo ye ne ho pastor e wo ho o command the party no wo PCC a e bia na what you say nti no eno ene asema e da ho na abrantie no notorious and robber na ya bonitio no ne body no ye de akoto police hospital mortuary na police for ka say assembly there it happened under the condition of anonymity ye can anonymity and that say na wo bia enim ho hwe police for the crowd wo ko take sa action wo mo ambo obi amane because these notorious armed robbers no what happens they say they know people in these police services it was a police need sorry so we be chene pe we say ya bona mane na afi pa we free ho pa no we free ho intino police was say we there na wo mo mini say wo mo be chene intino they did it on anonymity. That is the story coming through montre mwadwen e wo comment box ni mo yebo police for no abaso on something like this yes yebo police on abaso intino it's for that's it. Me wa another story being so but me dey no be later because we know it's long. Me another story be and also abranche bia we di 38 and also ya chinatum for fraud na me dey no hu nsem ebebrem later we go say hey Ghana ngrofo e diboni a enye easy but still montre mwadwen e comment box me tie for me that say